Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video here at MT Paradise. So I'm here with Cameron, and we're going to show you guys how to take out the headlights in a Porsche 991 911. This also applies to the Cayman 981, pretty much the exact same process. There might be slight differences, but it's pretty much the same. Alright guys, so once you open up the front trunk of the car, you're going to notice that there's this little toolbox thing over here you're just going to pull out on that front side, and it just swings right out, and then it flips open, so then you can see a handful of tools. You're going to have a little toolbox, and if you have locking lug bolts, you're going to have that little lock in there too, and then you're going to have the tow hook. But what you're going to need is a little toolbox, and when you just pull it apart, you're going to see a few different tools in here. The headlight tool is this little, I don't even know how to explain it, but you can see it, you'll know what it looks like. It has like a little kind of wrench end in that little hole, but that's what we're going to use to actually take out the headlight. So after you pull out the little toolbox, you're going to notice that there's these little tabs. You're going to have to pull the carpet back a little bit, and there's this little black rubber tab that you're just going to flip down, and then it opens up a hole. So what you're going to do is you're going to stick the tool into that with the little wrench end in, and there's like a little, almost like a screw head that's going to hook onto. And then what you're going to do is you're going to rotate it towards the car itself. And when you're doing the other side, which we've already done, it'll rotate towards the car as well. So you're not going to turn it in the exact same direction. It's just going to go that way on both sides. So then once you hit that point, when you turn it a little bit more, you can see the headlight start to kind of pop out just a little bit. And they're going to get to a point where you can actually like grip onto the light, and then you can pull it out all the way. But don't yank it all the way out, because you're going to have to still unplug it from like the main housing, which is pretty much right here. So there's going to be a little tab that you're going to have to push in. So if you have a small tool, where you can just kind of like reach in there, it's going to essentially push down on the little tab, and it's going to release it. And then you're just going to wiggle it right off. Just like that, your headlight is disconnected. And you can safely set it aside. So when we're actually moving that tool, so you can see the tool's right here. This little bar is what actually holds the headlight in itself. So when you rotate it, you can see that it actually like spins a little bit. Alright, so when you go to put the headlight back in, the first thing you're going to do, just like whenever you took it out, is you're going to have to plug in the wire harness. It's going to push on, it's just going to snap right into place. And then you're just going to set it carefully. So there's actually some little tracks and some little tabs. So right here's actually a little tab, and on the inside, there's a little track that's going to slide right underneath into here. So whenever you go to put it in, just make sure you're aware of that, so you can kind of keep an eye on how you're setting it into the socket. Alright, so then once you set it in, it's not going to go all the way in, but once you rotate the tool, it'll actually pull the headlight in, and then once you turn it enough, it'll actually kind of like pop itself into place, just like that. So then once it pops into place, you just pull the tool right out, and there you go, just like that. The headlight is now replaced. And then you'll go and you'll just cover up the little black tab. It's right there, and then you can put all your tools back, put the little toolbox back onto the car, and you're done. Alright guys, so if this video helped you, definitely go down and hit that like button down below. And if you want to see more videos like this, especially with my Porsche Cayman, and maybe more 911 videos in the future, definitely put it down in the comments below what you guys want to see, what you need help with. Well, like I said, like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.